Hi guys, thanks for tuning in to another unboxing video. So today, as you can see, we are going to do the unboxing of the Tarmac Works Tiffany Porsche RWB 964, which was released a couple of weeks ago on the Tarmac Works website and is now available from the Tarmac Works resellers worldwide for you to basically get your hands on this particular model. So without further ado, let's get into the unboxing. Alright, so as you can see, you always get the collector card with the chassis number and the collector number. So let me keep that aside. Okay, let's open this up. Alright guys, so that's the base which says RWB, the Tarmac Works logo and the model of the car. After unscrewing the car from the base, you can see that this is the car. It looks awesome. As always, Tarmac Works has done a great job when it comes to detailing this particular model. So to give a bit of a history about this model, so RWB was initially set up in Japan by Akira Nakai, as you all know. And due to the popularity, they basically opened up various other workshops in few parts of the world. So Hong Kong RWB workshop was the 12th RWB workshop that was basically opened by the RWB workshop chain, and this car is the first to be built in that particular workshop by Akira Nakai himself after flying down to Hong Kong to basically build this particular car. So they have chosen to basically paint this car with the mint green, I would say, which basically symbolizes the popular jewelry manufacturer Tiffany and Co. So this is the car. It looks awesome. As you can see, you have the idlers logos on the wheels as you find in the original Tiffany model itself. So you have the detailed door handles on the sides. You also have some decals. Onto the front, you can see the headlights are pretty neatly detailed as well, including the Porsche logo, and also you have the RWB on the windscreen. So if you focus your attention to the interior of the vehicle, you can see the interior of the car, including the seats, have detailed seat belts, as you can see there. You have the wipers, and that's the rear side of the car. You have the RWB logo and the rear exhausts. So you also can see the roll cage inside this car. Overall, it's a beautiful looking, nicely detailed little model. Again, Tarmac Works has done a great job in designing this particular model. So guys, that's about it. That's about the unboxing for the Tarmac Works Porsche RWB Tiffany model. So if you guys like this video, make sure you hit the like button, and also do not forget to subscribe to our channel so that you will get notified when we upload new and latest videos. So until next time, stay tuned.